Okay, go ahead. Can you open the doors, or do you need to have door closed? Thank you. Awesome. Do you normally have a warm-up program that you run on it before you start machining every day?
Would you like to see that?
Yeah, that'd be great. I can do that in a separate video, though. I don't need to see it right now. Awesome. I'll tell you, I got everything.
Rapid.
Okay.
50% rapid.
What is your rapid?
I'm sorry?
What is your rapid?
What is 50% right now?
I know, what's the total? Like,
I'm afraid I'm
oh, that's right.
I'm sorry.
What's your total maximum rapid? Like 700 IPM or 1000 IPM, whatever it is.
I don't know that.
Oh, that's fine.
I'm sorry.
No worries. That's fine. Don't need to say sorry.
I'll show you 100.
I'll find out.
100% rapid. Actually, looks like we're capped off at 50 at the moment. Yeah, I'll give you a tool change.
Okay. Okay. You gonna ramp up the spindle? Awesome. Perfect.
$7,500. Let's go faster.
Okay. The max is 7,500?
I started it at 7,500.
Okay. Probably 10 then is my guess. Okay, and then